Can't imagine your diet without vegetables? Be careful, they can hurt you. Everyone has repeatedly heard the advice that vegetables should occupy half of the daily diet. However, it's not always as rosy as we are painted. There are some cases where vegetables can harm you. Tomatoes. If you have heartburn, you should discard the tomatoes and products that make up them. Otherwise, acid reflux may develop, a condition in which particles of food and gastric juice enter the esophagus, causing burning and pain. Cabbage. It is rich in vitamin K. It should not be taken during the period when you are taking blood thinners. Under the influence of this vitamin, the preparations will not be effective, so your health may again be in jeopardy. Beets, as well as spinach, rhubarb and other products rich in oxalates, are dangerous for people prone to kidney stones. If this is your case, or if there have been cases of a similar disease in your family, you should abandon these vegetables, at least for a while. Asparagus. She is completely forbidden for those who suffer from gout. It contains a lot of purines, and these substances increase the production of uric acid and therefore worsen the condition. Cruciferous vegetables. Not only white cabbage, but broccoli, Brussels sprouts and cauliflower are undesirable for Crohn's disease. Their use can provoke increased gas formation and bloating. Eggplant. If you control your weight, be careful with eggplant dishes. The special structure of these vegetables absorbs fat and oil like a sponge. So give preference to stewed eggplant, and when baking, try to use a minimum of oil. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.